Hello guys, and this is Rusty Glovebox, and we're going to do the completion of the Vintage Air Gen 2 AC install. Originally when I got the car it had a hang under the dash unit, and it did a good job, but it's big and bulky and you're always bumping it with your feet or something like that. And so that's why I went with this Vintage Air unit. It kind of gives it a somewhat of a factory install look. Everything's all tucked away and hidden, and it's a real good unit, so let's go and check it out. Well, one thing you always want to do after you get through reading and installing your Vintage Air unit, save all your paperwork. You may need a part sometime down the road. Well, here's the control pod, and you have 3 speeds: low, medium, and high. You have a defrost and vent. You have just heater. You have just vent, and then you have a dedicated defrost. On the way the heater works, let's say you put it on the heat mode, you make sure that your AC compressor is turned off, and then you'll turn your rotary switch to whatever temperature you want it to blow. Alright, if you want it on air conditioner to blow out the vents, then you'll make sure your heater is off. Then you'll rotate your knob to full or back it off just a little. Well guys, we got that Vintage Air AC installed, that Gen 2, and I tell you what, it really does a good job. You know, you've got your heat, defrost, you've got your blend, all of that is electronically controlled. None of it uses vacuum, so it's perfect for any car from anywhere from just a mild hot rod, or even something that you were wanting to try to keep somewhat original, but you did want an AC in it. So I tell you, I am really happy with this unit. So as always, I do appreciate you coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox.